What if I told you there's a miracle drug that can lower your risk of heart disease, boost your mood, sharpen your brain, and help you live longer? And it's completely free. No, it's not a pill. It's something your body was literally designed to do: walking. Most of us view walking as just a way to get from point A to point B. But when you dedicate just 30 minutes a day to a brisk walk, a biological chain reaction begins inside you that affects almost every organ in your body. Today, we're diving into the science of what happens to your muscles, your brain, and your heart when you lace up your shoes every single day. The results at the 30-day mark might just surprise you. The first 5 minutes. The moment you step out the door, your body shifts gears. In the first few minutes, your cells demand more energy. To meet this, your heart rate increases from a resting 60 to 100 beats per minute to about 100 to 120. This pushes oxygenated blood toward your working muscles. As your blood pumps, your blood vessels release a gas called nitric oxide. This causes your vessels to relax and widen, a process called vasodilation, which is why walking is one of the most effective natural ways to lower blood pressure. Even your lungs get in on the action. You'll notice your breathing deepens as your body works to expel carbon dioxide and pull in the fresh oxygen needed to fuel your mitochondria, the powerhouses of your cells. The brain and the runner's high. About 10 minutes in, the magic moves to your head. Physical activity triggers the release of endorphins, the body's natural painkillers, and serotonin, the feel-good hormone. This is often called the walker's high. It reduces cortisol, the stress hormone that keeps us in a fight-or-flight state. But there's a deeper science here. Walking stimulates the production of a protein called BDNF, brain-derived neurotrophic factor. Scientists call BDNF Miracle-Gro for the brain. It helps repair failing brain cells and stimulates the growth of new ones, particularly in the hippocampus, the area responsible for memory and learning. This is why many people find they have their best ideas while walking. Metabolic impact and weight loss. Now let's talk about metabolism. If you walk after a meal, something incredible happens to your blood sugar. Your muscles act like glucose sinks. They soak up the sugar from your bloodstream to use as fuel, preventing the insulin spikes that lead to fat storage and type 2 diabetes. While running burns more calories per minute, walking 30 minutes a day is more sustainable for most people. At a brisk pace, you can burn between 150 to 200 calories. Over a week, that's 1,400 calories, roughly the equivalent of 2 full meals. More importantly, daily walking shifts your body into fat-burning mode by increasing your basal metabolic rate over time. Joints, bones, and immunity. It sounds counterintuitive, but walking actually protects your joints. Unlike cartilage and other parts of the body, joint cartilage doesn't have a direct blood supply. It gets its nutrition from joint fluid that circulates as we move. Walking squeezes the cartilage, bringing in oxygen and nutrients. Because walking is a weight-bearing exercise, it also stimulates your bones to become denser and stronger, which is vital as we age to prevent osteoporosis. And for those who get sick often, a study of over 1,000 adults found that those who walked at least 20 minutes a day, 5 days a week, had 43% fewer sick days than those who were sedentary. When they did get sick, their symptoms were significantly milder. The long-term transformation. So what happens if you stay consistent for a month? After 1 week, your sleep quality improves. Because you've regulated your circadian rhythm and lowered cortisol, you fall asleep faster and stay in deep sleep longer. After 2 weeks, your cardiovascular fitness improves. Tasks that used to make you winded, like climbing stairs, become noticeably easier.
After a month, this is where the structural changes happen. Your resting heart rate may drop, your clothes might fit better, and most importantly, the habit is formed. The beauty of the 30-minute walk is that it requires no gym membership, no fancy equipment, and no extreme exhaustion. It is the simplest path to a radical health transformation. My challenge for you today is simple. Start where you are. If 30 minutes feels like too much, start with 10. The science shows that even short bursts have cumulative benefits. Do you take a daily walk, or are you planning to start tomorrow? Let me know in the comments below. I'd love to hear about your progress. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more science-based health tips. Now, put down the phone, lace up your shoes, and go get those 30 minutes in. Your body will thank you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.